Hello, many of you are wondering how to see your grades on work that has been graded in Google Classroom and returned to you. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you go into your Google Classroom, you log in and you'll see your stream just like this here. You want to go to the top and click on classwork. Here you will see view your work. You will see all of the different assignments that you have done. If you click on, so I'm going to click on this first one because this is the one I graded and put back in. So if you click on the assignment, it's going to give you your directions again, any attachments, and it will say graded in the corner. In order to see what the actual grade is, you go down to this view assignment button down here at the bottom corner. Click on view assignment, and it's going to give you here your actual score. So I'll put your percentage score up there. If it's out of 100, if it was out of 5, it'll be like a 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5, and you'd have to do the math to figure out the percentage. Your actual score is going to be up here. If it's something that I used a rubric to grade, you will see the rubric down below. You can expand the criteria so you can see what you did on each section. So you'll see the scores that you actually got. And then if I left you a comment, your comments would be down here as well. Actually, I think this one will go for the entire class to see. But your private comments should be in here somewhere, over here on the side. So if I left you a comment, your comment will be here. The rest of the things will be here. If you would like to fix something on most assignments, if you make corrections, you can always hit resubmit. Okay, so that's where you're going to find your grade and find your rubric breakdown on anything returned to you in Google Classroom. If you have any more questions, reach out to me, let me know.